Good morning folks, welcome back to the channel. It's been way too long, but today you join me. We're up in Derbyshire. We're out in the truck today. We're going to do some lanes up here. We stopped last night at the Miners Standard at Winster. Nice little country pub, does great food, and it's got a campsite at the back. We stayed here last night, we're here again tonight. Waiting on a few other people to turn up, but we're out on the lanes. We're going to get stuck in. This video has been a long time coming. It's haven't recorded nothing for a little while, but make sure you stick along to the end because we have got a bit of news to announce and a bit of a change up on the channel, so I'll stick along and wait for that. Those folks are just finishing their breakfast. I had breakfast in the pub this morning, thought it was just easier for me. I'm here on my own. I was in the rooftop tent last night on the truck, got it all folded down because it started to spit with rain, so I managed to put that away just before it started. Got a cup of tea on the go. We're going to have that and get into the lanes. Disco, Hilux, Trooper, Jeep, Ranger, my Trooper, and then we've got Mark in the Range Rover. Going to do two groups today, a group of 4 and a group of 3, leaving like a 15-minute interval between us. Not expecting there to be many people about today, but you never know, so we're going to break into 2 smaller groups. Let's get moving. First lane, just a gravelly track. I'm in the convoy of 3, I'm the back person in the convoy of 3, so we've got 4, then a 15-minute gap, then 3 more. So we've got Jess, Oliver, and then me. Pretty standard lane at the minute. Just bounced out of that gate and put the locking hubs in, as I forgot when we left the pub. Haven't needed them so far yet, but thought I'd put them in. Got a bit of a climb here to go up to now. Looks quite loose. We'll start off nice and steady, see how we go. Still so you can see where I am, but bouncing around like mad. They think we come to feed them. I haven't, but they think we have. There's a big old boy over there. That's the bullock there, look. You see him just striding over the back there. A big old boy. He's coming. Hope he comes a bit closer. He's just there in the middle. That way you can see. That big old boy there. Big old boy. See the bullock over there at the back? The big old boy just staring me out. We'll leave him to it. Let's go and catch these up. Got a peacock down there just in front of the truck. He might even come this side. Might get a better look at him. Hello, boy. Hello. Got a guinea fowl and that down here as well. Bit of a small holding. Just through this gate. Overgrown out. Peeing down with rain, as you can see. Not making for great filming, but there you go. We are in the autumn now, or getting into the autumn anyway. Shame, because there's normally some good views up here, but not so good in the rain. Rain and mist. Well, that's us. We just stopped at the pub for a quick half a shandy for lunch. Weather's got worse, I think. It's peeing down with rain. We'll go and see what we can see this afternoon. Well, that's it. We're back in the trucks. We're on another lane. Only a gravel track again. Mixed up the convoy a little bit now. I'm in the middle. Got a few trucks in front of me and a couple behind me. Just a bit of a gravelly track with some big puddles in it, some whoop-de-doo holes, big puddles. Still peeing with rain. Got a sign up there saying about keeping to the track and not going off piste. Obviously we've had some trouble up here recently of people chewing up the land they're not supposed to be on. But we're all good. We're on the gravel track, descending down the hill, still peeing with rain. Well, just parked the trucks up. We're doing the walk now to Bakewell to pick up some tarts. Can't wait. I'm not sure if they're tarts or puddings. Either or. We're going to go and get some anyway while we're here. Sorry love, mind your way. You should have shouted at me, I'm used to that.
I think that's the rub. Yeah. Look how he's doing.
The Bakewell Pudding Factory, pudding parlour and shop. We go in there, I want to get a pudding, and while I'm here, I suppose we've got to go in there and get Nicola some fudge, otherwise she'll kill me. She's on a diet, but she'll kill me if I don't get her none. She'll moan if I do, and she'll moan if I don't. Well, that's got to get me in the good book, surely. We've got vanilla clotted cream fudge, cherry Bakewell fudge, and sea salt fudge.
Okay, don't go. Stay where at least somebody can see you. Jeff's over there anyway.
Pulled up in the car park, wasn't raining. As soon as we paid for parking, it started to rain. We've been to the shop, we've got the fudge and that as you saw. I grabbed myself a coffee and a pasty. I'm just waiting for the other lads to come back. But sat in the truck with the heater on, the heated seat on, we're golden. Not too bad. Definitely worth the walk. Got a Bakewell tart, on ice, just a tart with the almonds on top. Didn't fancy a pudding, I've had one before, not my thing. And I got Nicola some fudge, so we're all good. Just left Bakewell, back onto the lanes. Not sure what this installs, this one, but I think it used to go through a forest. Whether the forest is still there, whether it's been chopped down, I'm not 100% sure. I'm just going by what it says on my map. As I say, I'm just following along this weekend. I haven't done no plotting or no nothing. I'm just coming along for the ride. But there you go. But still paying me rain, as you can see. Not the bestest day in the world, but there you go. We're out still. That's the first little bit of lane we've done today, but it's just not flat. It's the only reason I got out and filmed it. Wasn't special, but it's more special than anything we've seen today. Get back in the truck, get back in the warm. Rather nice looking church steeple there. Just coming into Eden Saw. Not sure if that's how you say it or not, but just around the corner from Chatsworth House. So I think that's our next step, the lanes around the back of Chatsworth. So let's go and get stuck into them. Not sure if you can see that on the GoPro, but we just had a big pack of deer cross in front of us, just all running that way. Just all across the road and ran across there in front of us.
Just came running across.
See them all?
On the barbie.
Load of fallow deer. Load more over there. Load more over there.
Good job you're in there, Jess.
Problem with the 3 litre, she's not pumping diesel up. She keeps cutting out.
Pumping a fat lot. Did you want to try it?
Try it.
Is that when it's turning over, is it? Anything coming out of the bleed when you're turning over?
That'll just draw air in the bleed, then, won't it? After some troubleshooting, we think it's the fuel primer drawing air in. So we've managed to loop an electric pump off a Mark's Range Rover, and we've got it fired up again. Steve's on the tools, doing a wonderful job, showing all the boys his bum crack while he's doing it. All perfect.
I've got bollocks now.
But we should be back up and running shortly. to that weather. We just spent half hour trying to sort Jesse's truck out in the pissing down rain. Got it sorted. We're now back in the trucks and it stopped raining. You wouldn't believe it, would you? I think now we're just heading back to camp. I'm supposed to be camping again tonight, but I think I'm just going to grab my chair and stuff from camp and head on home rather than camp in the rain all night for another morning of lanes. If there is a morning of lanes, there might not even be. So yeah, I think I'm going to get these last couple of lanes done, get back to camp, get me bits and bobs, and head on home. We've got Jesse's truck running good. Coming with a bit of steam off there. Well, that's us back at the pub. I'm not staying tonight due to the weather. There's going to be no lanes tomorrow, so I was planning to stay in another night tonight and do a few lanes tomorrow, but there's no lanes tomorrow. So rather than staying in my roof tent tonight and get all wet, I'm going to go and get my chair from camp and I'm going to head on home. So that brings this video to an end. If you've got this far, thanks very much for your support, for watching. Don't forget to drop us a like. Let me just open this gate. And that concludes this video. Now at the start of this video I told you some big news for the channel, didn't I? Right, I'll cut that. I'm through the gate. Right, at the start of this video I told her some big news for the channel, didn't I? And that big news is I'm going to sell my truck. I haven't been using it. I haven't used it once this year. This is the first time I've used it. I've been using it for towing my caravan. I built that little off-road caravan and me and the missus have been out in it and we really enjoy it. So I've not been laning. So I've been out that much. I'm going to get rid of my truck, sell the caravan. I'm going to build a van. So that's the direction the channel is going to go. I'm going to sell what I've got now, buy a van, convert it, and then get out and about in the van. It's just, I've been laning 20 years. A lot of the lads I used to go with don't bother going anymore. So I think it's time to switch it up, get out with the missus, my dog, my little grandson Dexter, and just enjoy a bit of van camping. So that's it. So I've got next week in the caravan. I've got that already booked, one more weekend in the caravan, a bit of a van fest thing to go to next week, and then that's it. So I'm going to get a couple little bits and bobs done, tidied up, and then the truck and the caravan will be up for sale. I'm not going to give them away, but I'm going to sell them, collect some funds back in, and I'm going to buy a van and get busy on a van. So if you'd like to watch that, stick along, and I'll see you soon for some more great content. Cheers.